let's get you the latest update as far as the class 12 students are concerned. The suspense is still continuing. They don't know whether the board exams are going to happen or not. The last update we got from the government was that on 1st of June, the government is going to be evaluating the scenario and will be taking a call. But as a result, the students as well as parents are quite anxious because they don't know what the future really holds. How will they be evaluated if the exams are actually cancelled? Amidst all of this, now the India-wide Parents Association has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the issue of Class 12 board examinations. The decision on Class 12 exams across the boards, including CBSE, ISC and several state boards, is yet to be decided. For 10th standard, of course, the exams have been cancelled, and there is a formula as well in place now to decide the fate of Class 10 students, not about Class 12 as of now. Let's go across to my colleague Mohit joining us on the broadcast this morning. Mohit, good morning. The Parents Association has now set an alternative mode of assessment for Class 12 students for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What is it that the HRD ministry is really doing about it?
Well, you see, yesterday the HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank had meeting with the various state educational secretary, and it was expected that a decision might be taken regarding the class 10th exam. But that meeting, as of now, what we are being told was focused on the national education policy and impact of lockdown on the education sector. Now we know for a fact that how various parents organizations, parents, students, they have come out and they have said that the class 12th exam should be cancelled because it is creating a stress on students. Now they have also been saying that just like the 10th class exam, the 12th class exam should also be cancelled. Now the CBSE is flooded by the request by students and parents from across the country, and the parents and students are urging them to cancel the upcoming CBSE board exam due to COVID-19 pandemic. But due to no action, no decision as of now is being taken. Now we know that how the lockdown have been imposed in the states, and all the educational institutes are completely closed. The CBSE has not yet issued any dates for conduction of class 12th exam, while the class 10 exam have been cancelled. So clearly, as of now, there is this situation of conundrum that is in front of the class 10 students, and in fact in front of their parents also. But as of now, no official announcement has been taken, and various students and their parents have written to CBSE, to government, to make sure that the exams are cancelled so that students are out of this stress.
All right. Thank you very much, Mohit Bhatt. Appreciate you joining us with all of those details.